Okay, and because I'm an idiot, use Hitachi. I didn't. Moment of truth. See if it starts. All right, welcome back to this. You're probably here because you have a Nissan and you have a crankshaft position sensor issue. So a PO335 or something similar. I've replaced my two camshaft sensors and I'm going to put this one in. That's what it looks like. Hopefully this whole video is less than 5 minutes. I'll try and make it snappy. So it's going to be in the passenger wheel well area. I've already taken off the wheel just to make it easier. Jacked on jack stands, blocked, and it's going to be right in here. And it is that item right there. There's a little boot. We're going to pop that off. Use our 10 millimeter as usual. Okay, the first thing you're going to notice is my wheel well liner is not in here. There are a bunch of screws and fasteners in here. You'll just want to carefully take off everything until you've got it off. We're just going to unclip it, maybe. Here's where my little pliers come in handy. Pop that right off. And that leaves the 10 millimeter. Just move that out of the way. And I've just got a little swivel head on this so you can use an extension and get it right in there. There we go. There it is. Don't drop it. That's what I usually do. And there's the old one. And want to see my other thumb after I smashed it a few weeks ago? Yeah, lost the nail. Nice, huh? All right. There's new and old. Got the same orientation, so put that one in. And just get it snug, because I hate breaking things. Pop the clip back on. Snap that on. And get the boot back over it. Should be good to go. Okay, and because I'm an idiot, I broke the little clip that holds that on. So I built a little angle bracket thingy. And I'm going to zip tie it until I figure out what to do here. That was a piece of cake. Except for the part where I broke the little snap. Zip tie to the rescue till I can get either a new clip or something. But yeah, that'll be fine till it melts off. Okay, moment of truth. See if it starts. Nice, there you go. All right, so that's a pretty easy job, assuming you don't break the clip. But anyway, again, use Hitachi. I didn't. This one might last 1 day or 5 years. Who knows? So I may be doing it again. But if I do it again, I'll pick up all three, both camshafts and crankshaft. So anyway, hope this was helpful and thanks for watching. See you next time. 98 foot-pounds. Done.